In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make your boyfriend feel special with words. I will give you 6 things you can say to your boyfriend to make him feel special. It is really important to express your love in a relationship, but it's important to say things other than I love you every day. Maybe some of you who are watching this video didn't even tell him that you love him, but you want to let him know that you care. Regardless of the case, there are many other ways to make your partner feel loved with your words, such as phrases that include support, appreciation, and honesty can make your partner feel loved equally as much as telling them outright that you love them. So, without wasting any time, let's move on to the video. Number 1. I feel like my life wouldn't be complete without you. Say that he really is your missing piece and that your life will be incomplete without him. This shows him that you really value him in your life. This shows him that you are emotionally attached to him. You can also use this phrase to show him that he is a major role in your life. And since this makes him realize that he is the only one you want, he will try his best to keep you happy, and he will commit more to your relationship. Number 2. Your flaws makes you so unique. Saying this makes his anxiety goes away that comes from not being perfect. If you tell him something like, "You are perfect," then he will get scared because he knows that he isn't. He will get away from you because he thinks that you will be disappointed when you learn his flaws. So when you show him that you like him despite his flaws, that makes him feel special. Before we get to the 3rd phrase, I just want to tell you that just making him feel special is not enough to make him addicted to you. If you want to make him addicted to you, then make sure to download my free swipe file of 5 phrases you can say to any man to make him addicted from clicking the first link in the description. Number 3. You inspire me. People do like to know that they inspire others, especially if that other is their partner. It's evidence of how important they are to you. This tells your partner that they are someone you look up to, and that's always a compliment. Inspiration goes hand in hand with a sense of respect, and relaying respect is always important in a strong relationship. Number 4. I can't imagine being with anyone else. Sometimes it's good to get a little sappy and romantic with your partner. Love means wanting to stick it out for the long run. Telling someone you want to grow old with them is telling them that your feelings are legit, strong, and will last a lifetime. This tells your partner that they are just that special. Number 5. No one can make me happier than you. We always are attracted to someone that makes us happy. This signals to him that you are genuinely interested in him, and that you don't just want a quick thing, that your relationship is precious to you. When he knows that he can make someone the happiest person in the world, he will always try to be with you. He will develop a stronger bond with you, and he will value your relationship even more. Number 6. I'm proud of you. No matter what's going on in your partner's life, telling them that you're proud of them can really make them feel loved. This tells your partner that you appreciate their actions and decisions. This phrase is especially impactful and meaningful when your partner is having a difficult time with things. It shows ultimate support. So those are the 6 signs. If you enjoyed this video, then also make sure to watch this video where I tell you about the perfect dirty texts you can send to your boyfriend.